Hello guys, welcome to the channel. As in previous video we have learned that how you can prevent your existing data being overridden in DynamoDB. If you missed that, link is in description box and in I button also. Today I am going to show you how you will get the data of your registered access key and their last use time. This video is very simple and short, so let's start. So for that I am going to create another folder here. I am right, hit enter, and here again I am going to have main.py and I'm going to add it into GitHub, right? Yes, and as we all know, to access or to have all the services from AWS, we need to have to import the library which is Boto3. So import Boto3. Now we will have the object of the client, right? So client equals to Boto3 dot client, and here we will give the name, right? So we are going to access the IAM role, and here what I am going to have, so client dot, we have a method name is list access key, right? And here we will have all the access key, right? And from access key we are going to get access key metadata. So access key metadata, and here I'm going to have in access keys. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the API or documentation of this IAM things. So for that I'm going Google and checking on Boto3 IAM examples. You can look for that. So IAM, we have first link, and here yes we are here client, and if you are look below, so we have here list access keys. When you click on it, so this is the code which we are using, and this is the response syntax. When you use this list access key, you can give the username if you want to give any particular username, marker and max items. So you can read about them here, and if you have any question you can comment down in the comment section and I'll reply. And this is the response text. So why I have used access key metadata, because in this we have username, access key ID, status and create date also, right? And is truncated and marker also we will get, but we need only this access key metadata. So by using list access key we will have the access key ID, right? So okay, let's go back to our code. So we will get the key. Now I am going to loop it for keys in access keys, and from this we will have the key. So keys dot get access key ID. Yes, why I'm using this key access ID, because from access key metadata we will get this dictionary, and from this dictionary we need to access this access key ID, and from this key we will get the string of our access key ID. So I'm here now, and now we need to use another method which is IAM dot get access key last used, and here you need to pass access key ID, right? So this is the same parameter which we need to pass here, and here we will pass the key, and this will be okay, not the IAM, the client, and we will have the response, right? So let me show you this method also. So if I'm going to search it, yes we are here, get access key last used, and when you are going to use this, so this is the same kind which we have used, and this is the response syntax where we will get username and access key last used, where we will have last used, service name and region also, right? So yes, So okay, so from access key last used we will get only this last used date and access key we have. Then we will make a dictionary where we will add up the access key and the last used date. So here I am going to create a dictionary. So final dictionary, and from response we need access key last used, right? So what I'm going to have in final dictionary dot update, and I need to create a dictionary. So here I'm giving key and then last used, right? And here from response I'm going to have that I'm going to copy this last use date, right? So yes, we are having this last use date, or not the last use date. From this access key last used we will get last use date, right? So yes, and from response, yes, we will get this, and from here we will get this last use date, right? So okay, so for now I'm just using this last access key access key last use, and then we will print this final dictionary, right? So I'm going to run this, and of course this run will show you my access key, so I'm going to hide that, but you will have the idea how you can develop this code and how the result looks like, right? So yeah, so I'm going to run this. Okay, so we got the error, cannot open the file. Okay, so this IAM main I need to open, so run. Okay, so we got the error none type. Let me see access key. Okay, get data. Okay, so mistake is here. This should be this small, and I'm going to run this again. Okay, so guys, here you can see we are getting the key and the last use date, time, and we are getting the service name and the region also, right? So in which region this key is generated, and this is the last date time, you can convert into date time, right? So friends, this is only thing which I wanted to show you. If you have any question related to this, you can just comment down in the comment section, and you can join me on Telegram group also. That link also in the description box. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also, and press the bell icon also, so that you will never miss any my new video. So see you in next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.